Hey folks, I'm back out at my property cleaning the brush up, and from the bushes from when they were pulled up 6 months ago. Hey, let me show you what's going on. All right, so see all that stuff there, twigs there, brown stuff there, more brown stuff there, and I'm bringing it all into piles like that. And that one, I just started that new pile today because that one there is getting kind of big. But let me show you what's a game changer for me. All right, here we go. Bought me a truck. And it's been such a game changer because I've been dragging all these dead stumps and everything all the way to those two piles. And one stump at a time is not going to cut it. So there you go. I got about a 01 Toyota Tundra SR5. It's got some issues, like all used vehicles, but anyhow, it's getting the job done. And I just wired in, well, I haven't wired it in yet, but wiring in a inverter so that way I can have electric if I need it out here on the property. I'm not on the property yet as far as moving my RV over here, but that should be soon. Hopefully end of October, middle of November. But yeah, I just figured I'd give you an update. Everything's going well so far. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.